All right, here we go with an official episode of our home build. Welcome to episode 27, where we get carpet. And just like everything, prep work is key. And so Joel and I went through and vacuumed every single square foot where carpet is going to go. Smells like carpet. Oh my gosh. I don't want to be in their way, but I also just want to come up and get a little peek of what they're doing. The carpet is finished upstairs. It's Monday morning, very first thing, and I'm still working on windows. I would really like to get the windows clean before the carpet down here gets laid. It's a whirlwind because we've got the worst gut aches just from nerves, but we're just gonna try to get done what needs done. All right, stair runner is in, and I'll tell you what I would do different. Here's what the carpet looks like up close. I love the way the tones look so nice against the wood tones. Now, it's the placement of the runner for me. I just said to center it in between the stair treads. So there's 6.5 inches of wood showing on this side. There's 6.5 inches showing on this side. And when you look at the stair as a whole, that looks really great. But when you stand right smack in the center of the stairs, the stair runner is off to the left because your eye looks where the banister is. See, like that? Your eye looks where the banister is, and so the runner looks off. So learn from my mistake. Don't center it from the side of the stair to the side of the stair. Center it from the balusters to the wall. You know, when you're looking from the side, you don't notice it. When you're looking from this side, you don't really notice it. But it's when you're walking straight up the center, you feel a little off. Well, you live and learn. You live and learn. We got some blankets. I do not want to put that sticky film on it because I've used it before. When you take it off, there's a death grip on there. It will rip the fibers of your carpet. So I feel like it's damaging to the carpet. So I'm going to cover it with moving blankets. The stairs are covered. Thank you, Harbor Freight, for cheap moving blankets. I think this is going to be the best way to protect the carpet as we're, one, having contractors finishing up in the house, and then also when we're moving stuff in. Moving boxes are dirty and it gets the carpet dirty. So my job right now is to go through and clean and kind of protect what we have. Thank you, Boston. Bossy, you want to come see the carpet upstairs? Yeah. I've got this all the way done. I hope it's a good lasting carpet. I hope so. Smells good, looks good. Isn't that fun to see carpet in here? Yeah. I think so too. A handprint?
Yeah, that could be good.
Uh-huh. Let's see. I did try to get carpet that you didn't see vacuum lines in because I don't love seeing carpet lines, but it's really industrial feeling when you get that kind of carpet. Or like heavy design, which I also didn't want. I wanted the carpet to be really subtle because the walls are so bold. I like the way it looks together. Showed you the upstairs carpet. The main floor has hardwood, and then we also carpeted the downstairs, which I have covered and taped so that you see how dusty the blankets are. Our feet are kind of dusty, so I don't want to track that onto the carpet. Took a lot of time doing that. And I still want to get more runners. This is the basement carpet. And I asked one of the kids, we were, putting tools away, and maybe people will think this is my fault for picking light carpet. And I think it was a mistake. I already regret it because I asked the kids to put a tool downstairs, and see this like splotch of like, red something or other. It was a tool that was closed. It's one of those chalk lines, permanent. This is a permanent chalk dust that they decided to open and play with as they were putting it away. So yeah, who knows, maybe we'll be replacing the carpet. Anyway, here's the basement carpet. Since I recorded that last carpet video, it's actually been weeks. It's been weeks since we've had our carpet, and this actually doesn't look bad. The top of the stairs looks a lot more dirty, and I constantly have been having to like reshift these blankets, but they're the best things that I did because they're so dirty. It gets your feet kind of knocked off, even wearing socks, and then, you can go walk on the carpet. I have had a heck of a time. I don't know if you can tell, a contractor, without me knowing, walked in here with their shoes, and you can see there's a footprint here, 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 here. And so I cannot, like you can see here, here, here. And then he turned and went into the bathroom. And I cannot express the frustration that brought me. I don't know what he was thinking. It just irritates me so bad. In combination with the red stain. And I called a carpet company and I said, hey, I had my carpet installed yesterday. This happened, told them what it was, and they're like, yeah, that's not coming out. So I don't know exactly what to do. Tomorrow, the carpet company is coming back because when they installed the carpet, the salesperson did not relay the message to them that we had radiant heat down here, and apparently that's a big difference. Like they have to do things a lot differently, and they needed the floor heated up, but at the time our water wasn't on to heat the floors. So when they installed the carpet, you can see there's just a lot of like things aren't pulled tight, and it was because the carpet, the back of it needed warmed up in order for them to stretch it. So they're coming back tomorrow or Monday, in 2 days, to get the carpet re-stretched. And we have a whole bunch of extra carpet, and you can see there's a seam that goes right here. And then I think there's another seam right here. So we might just completely cut that out and put the extra carpet that we had right here. So we'll see what they say when they get here. I don't know. Carpet is really frustrating to me. The only time that I have a hard time keeping carpet clean is outside of the family, like contractors, and obviously, yes, that happened from one of my kids. But as far as just daily wear and tear, I wasn't worried about having a light carpet. Do I regret it? 100%. And that makes me really sad that I regret it, because it's really beautiful. The color, it's so beautiful. And when you're up close like this, I didn't think it was going to be that light. But then when you step back and you look full picture, it is really light. So yeah, that was really not smart on my part. I went with 100% nylon through the whole house. All of the carpet in the whole house is nylon. And nylon is the second nicest carpet. And this is what I've been told. See, like you can see how dirty all of that is. I've been told, look at all these dead bugs. Yeah, look at all those dead bugs. I've been told that, you can see how dirty everything is. Nylon, sneak peek. I know you've seen it, but just he's peeking through. The best carpet you can get is wool. I don't like the feel of wool. I really don't. You can see we're just, this is just wild.
I wanted to come up and finish on this carpet. I really like the carpet that I chose for my upstairs. It's basically the same thing that downstairs, but there's no blue in it. Nylon wears really, really well. So if you're looking for a nice carpet that wears really good, 100% nylon. I should have gone with a darker color in the basement. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys all in my next video. You can tell that we are working on our balcony. So close. We are so close to being done.